Hi everyone, this video is on how I fix a horrible Amazon wig. Alright, so flashing back, this is my new hair dance. I didn't know that the hair was going to be absolutely horrible, but I unboxed it and look at the hair. The hair is gorgeous, the color is gorgeous, but the hairline, it is thick, thick, thick. I was not feeling it at all. So I was like, well, let me just comb it out and see. And it sheds a lot. So I was like, not a good look. So I looked at it even closer. I was like, oh, no, 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 no. So I decided to try to fix it with concealer in the part area. That didn't work, as you can see. I was highly disappointed. So I was like, what am I going to do next? Oh well. You'll see in a second what I decided to do and how I fixed it. Of course, I put a hat on it. Thanks for watching.